Western core 3.22 inch, eastern core 2.27.
Well, we can forget about the eastern core because there's no way in hell I'm going to get to that. That's out.
It won't be long. It'll be one great big core probably.
And we got a full-fledged dust storm here in front of me, so I just don't know if I'm going to get the hail here. Let me double check my area. I might just pull over and see. We're good. This might be the wrappers, chat. This might be the wrap.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Oh yeah, definitely outflow. Oh! Holy shit! Oh! Look at this! Holy smokes! Holy, look at that. Wow. Wow, that was insane.
Core dropped in DBZ. It's still pretty strong, but it dropped in DBZ quite a bit there when that happened. No longer have a hail marker on that western core.